Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be talking about seismometers. Now, a seismometer is a device that can detect an earthquake. And it's structured in a way where you've got a massive, massive heavy ball. Now, the heavier the ball, the more inertia it has. Now, inertia is just resistance to change. So the bigger something's mass is, the less likely it's going to want to move. Think about it like this. It's much harder to move a big car than it is to move a small car because it's got a bigger mass. Similarly, if they're both rolling towards you, it's much harder to stop a big car than it is to stop a small car. That's because big objects have a big inertia. Anyway, this ball is attached to a pen, which is basically marking a piece of paper which is being sort of rolled. Okay? And this allows us to produce a graph called a seismogram. Now, what's happening is the frame of the seismometer is anchored to the ground. And when the ground shakes, the frame shakes as well. And as a result, the paper also shakes. The ball, with the pen connected to it, does not move at all because its mass is very high and therefore it has very high inertia. Okay? This allows us to make a graph called a seismogram. Now, when you make a seismogram and an earthquake has just passed, you end up with these lines like so. The P wave always comes first, followed by an S wave, followed by a surface wave. Now, P waves are useful because they're very slight, they're basically small shakes which warn you of an impending earthquake, so you can take the necessary measures to protect yourself. That's it for seismometers. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.